Have you ever failed an audit due to an incomplete or non-existing quality control manual or standard? Have you missed out on bids due to the lack of a welding quality management system? Are your customers' requests for documented quality documents increasing? What if you could create a professional welding quality standard for your company in just a few hours instead of weeks? That's exactly what the Welding Quality Standard Template was designed to do. Most fabrication shops already know the struggle. Customers are asking for documented quality standards. Auditors want proof that you have procedures in place. And many contracts now require it before you even get the work. But writing one from scratch? That's overwhelming. This template changes that. The Welding Quality Standard Template gives you a complete, editable document that's already structured around the requirements of AWS codes and industry best practices. All you have to do is fill in the details that are specific to your business. Here's the best part. It is color-coded and designed to be fast and easy to use. Red text shows you where to enter your company information. Green text provides examples that you can keep if they fit, or delete if they don't. Blue text gives you instructions to guide you as you customize your document. In just a few hours, you'll have a professional welding quality standard ready to show to customers, auditors, or anyone requiring documentation. But compliance is only the beginning. The true power of this template comes when you implement it in your shop. By standardizing welding procedures, clarifying responsibilities, and controlling materials and inspections, you can dramatically reduce rework, minimize scrap, and increase productivity. That means lower costs, higher profits, and more consistent results across every shift. The template also includes a package of practical forms, welding procedure specifications, procedure qualification records, welder performance qualification records, inspection logs, non-conformance reports, and a welder continuity log. These documents make it easy to put your standard into practice right away. And because it's a living document, you can revise and expand it as your business grows, as codes change, or as customer requirements evolve. So whether you're looking to meet a documentation requirement for your next contract, or you're ready to take the quality and efficiency of your welding operations to the next level, the Welding Quality Standard Template is your solution. Get your copy today, earn more contracts, and take the guesswork out of welding quality.